Hey guys, this is Patrick from MICROUSB.com, and as what you have seen on the intro, today we're taking a look at the new OPPO F9 Jade Green color option. Now I know that the box is projecting the Starry Night color variant, but actually it is the Jade Green that's really on the inside. But just to make sure, we'll be doing an unboxing, so let's go! Okay guys, now here we have the box. Let me just peel off the plastic. As you can see, we got this really straight from OPPO, fresh and fresh. Now let's open it up. Of course, we have this pack that houses some of the freebies that comes with it. Here we have the SIM ejector tool and your quick start guide and other important information, and of course we have a clear case so you can protect your device without hiding its new beautiful color. And finally, we have the device. Oh wow. So we'll try to boot this up. There's a charge, and yeah, there it is. Of course, what's the other thing that's in the inside? We have your MICROUSB cable and OPPO's famed super fast charger, and of course we also have the earphones. There you go. So yeah, we'll just set this up and we'll show you more everything about this device. So now we have the new OPPO F9 Jade Green out of the box, and as you can see, it really has this very impressive and premium color. Actually, I find this more premium, more luxurious than the already available color variants. Of course, we already had the red and the blue color options, which has this very distinct petal-like accents on the back with the color gradient, and of course the Starry Night color that we saw on the box. If you look closely, the white color is actually more dominant, and it seamlessly transitions to this jade green color. I'm not sure if you're familiar with jade green, but jade is actually a special mineral or a gemstone which is being used in luxurious accessories and other ornaments. And speaking of luxury, as you can see, the entire side panel, the dual cameras, the fingerprint scanner, and the OPPO logo itself has this gold accent to it. But of course, it's not actual gold, but it really provides a more premium look to this device. But other than having a new color, it is pretty much the same OPPO F9 that we come to love. Of course, it has OPPO's VOOC flash charging technology, which can provide 2 hours of talk time with just a 5-minute charge. This also means that you can charge the OPPO F9 back to 100% faster than most devices in the market today. Also, for those people who are really into multitasking, the OPPO F9 brags a 6GB of RAM, which is a rare find in devices at this price. As for the rest of the specs, what we have here on the front is a 6.3-inch Full HD Plus IPS screen, with the water drop notch on top housing the 25MP front camera, and on the back we have a 16MP plus 2MP dual rear cameras. The new OPPO F9 Jade Green color variant is now available nationwide for the same price of 17,990 pesos. Again, this has been Patrick from MICROUSB.com. For more detailed look about this device and for our full review of the OPPO F9, you can check out our full website link below. Remember to hit the thumbs up button, share this video if you liked it, subscribe if you still haven't, follow us on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram, and yeah, basically that's it. Thank you for watching.